How to customize your Shopify store. Now, there's many ways to customize your Shopify store. For example, the most basic I can think of is by adding in a custom domain. So I'm going to show you. Once you're on your admin dashboard, go down here onto settings, and then go down onto domains. Here, you'll see this is our current domain, B4A2D9, blah, 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 blah. It's just a random string of letters and numbers. If, for example, you're selling shirts, it'll be cool if you have a domain name called coolshirts.com. So we can add that domain if we'd like we can buy it. If I search in cool shirts, coolshirts.com isn't available, but it'll show you other results like coolshirts.com.co or coolshirts1234. See, like this, coolshirts.info, coolshirts.com.ag.gm. This is one of the many ways you can customize your Shopify store, maybe by adding a custom domain, but it's a bit pricey. The other method you can customize your store is by its design. So things like its theme, you can also have blog posts, the pages, the navigation, all changed. If you want to customize the themes, you can either change it by any of these here, done, spotlight, refresh, or you can also visit the theme store, which will have a lot more. But do beware that some themes are paid. So instead of things like this, Motion is around $360, or Piano, $290. There's also a lot of free one, but a lot of paid one as well. So instead, you can also customize it yourself, like that. Customize. And on this dashboard, you can customize so much things. You can either add a new block or you can add a section. Think of sections and blocks like a container and foods. The section is like a Tupperware and the blocks is the food inside. So on this image banner here, you'll see that the foods insides are like browse our latest product, a text elements, and also a button. You can customize all of this. For example, the button, if I press on the button here on the template, image banner, button, if I press on that, you can change the label and you can also change the link of it. Right now, it's set to all products, but you can change the button to redirect to any of these pages. Like if I press this, it'll either redirect me to products, pages, blogs, blog posts, policies, etc. You can also add in a second button label, but I'm just going to leave that blank for now. You can also change the text by clicking on the text button here. And I want to change the text onto buy my stuff, please. Not very convincing, but you get the idea. If you want to customize other pages of your store, you can also just press it there and it'll redirect you to the other store. Here, you can also customize it by manipulating blocks and sections that already exist or adding in your own. If you want to add your own, just press on this and it'll add in like an announcement bar or a custom liquid. A custom liquid is your own custom section, but you need to code it yourself. Now there's one more method I can show you on how to customize your own website, but it's a bit difficult. You'd want to go onto the three dots here and you can edit the code. Editing the code, well, you'll of course need to be able to know how to code. Things like this. So you can change the very inner supports of your website. So it's like changing the how it even operates. There's also another way you can also customize it. You can edit the default theme content. The default theme content is like things that's already on the website on default. So things like your store name, powered by Shopify, for example, share on Facebook, share on X, all of these things. You can all customize it to your liking. So that is the basic of customizing a Shopify store.